City's been so good. Yeah.
Hi guys, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go look for a new minivan. So I've been for real though, on my way to go check out this sweet van. You may be wondering, why in the world do you want a minivan? I done had everything else, never had a minivan. In my 40s now, you know, so why not? Got enough kids. We about to go to Lanier Auto Group in Garner. About to check out this 2014 Honda Odyssey. Boom. Go. 2014 Honda Odyssey. Look at the grill on that thing. Pretty nice. It's comfy. Look at all that space back there. I ain't got the big boy TV. So I like the space of the van. You know, this one I can just tell is old. Like suspension kind of like bouncy. Got a little shake to it. I wouldn't buy this one, but I would buy one in a better condition. I do like the space. Like the leather wrap steering wheel. We got leather seats in here. I mean, it's alright though. It's alright. Got a little speed on it too. Hold on. Yeah, we doing 85 right now. She got a little speed on her.
That's gross. Okay, so we are going to look at a minivan.
Sweet minivan on dubs.
Say hey. Hey. So we're going to Cary. It's about a 20-minute drive.
17 minutes.
A 17-minute drive. My face looks so plump.
About to give birth any day now.
No, you're supposed to say no, honey. You're skinny.
You are skinny.
I am curious to see. I am not team minivan. I am team not minivan. Doesn't say anything else.
I know, you don't want to look at it. You don't want to get in it.
I'm sorry, babe.
You're supposed to support my wild and crazy
I do
adventures.
support. Look, I'm being submissive and just allowing us to
Don't say that word.
I am being a good wife and just letting the man decide what kind of vehicle we're going to have for the family.
Okay, that's more like it.
Look how excited he is. He can't even help himself.
You see it?
Yes,
It's
I
so
see
sweet.
it. Oh my gosh.
Oh man. This is nice, man.
It is cute, babe. It is cute.
Let's just do it right here.
Okay, good.
But you can take the whole thing out. This whole thing
Oh wow.
comes out.
What?
Oh, that's nice.
Wow.
I'll jump in. You can jump in right there in front. Ooh, what do you think, buddy?
He likes it. He said it's nice.
How old is he?
Really good. He's 2.
I can already tell it's different. It's running better than that other one.
Then the other one you drove? Oh yeah.
If you maintain these things, they'll last forever.
Do you know what today is? It's van day.
It's minivan day.
Wait.
It's minivan day. Been waiting on this for 2 weeks. About to go pick her up.
Having really bad contractions on the way to get this van. Trying to hold it.
Better suck that baby up.
Right outside.
I'm trying.
Wait. Going to get the van. Finally here. Finally here. We are in the minivan. That's just some roof racks and stuff back there. But look, I'm so happy right now because it's like we got this minivan for our family. It's perfect. It's just some minor things on the outside that need to be fixed. But overall, I'm so satisfied with this purchase with the DMV now. I'm about to go ahead and get the tags. But yeah, minivans. Salute, we out here, man. We about to make minivans cool again. So they ain't never been cool, but this one about to be.
Basically, to answer your question, I decided to get a power washer, and I asked my cousin about it. He was like, man, I'm thinking about doing the same thing. And I was in Lowe's, where was I? Lowe's, I was in Lowe's one day, and I saw it, and it was only $129. So I said, if I'm really gonna do it, I might as well go ahead and get it and see what happens. I love cars, so I decided to use it as a detailing business. You know, I've always cleaned cars. I've always cleaned cars very well, and I've tried to maintain my car as best as possible. So I researched how much people actually make, and I seen how people move, and I seen what actually, you know, professional details and how much they actually make. And I'm like, why am I still working for other people? New Wave Auto Detailing. Shouts out to my cousin Jamar. He came up with the name and he presented it to me. He also did the design for the logo, which I don't have it on. Actually, it's in my phone. I can show it to you later, or I can send it to you later. He did the design and the logo, and he came up with the name, and I've just been putting in the work ever since.